Alright, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the Solana video update. So the last time we talked about the Solana update is that I told you about a pattern called Adam and Eve double top, and that pattern has perfectly played out. So if I talk about this one, this was how the pattern was looking like. So if I do bring in the image, the main image was like this one. So I told you. Now the first top is normally going to be wide and broad, something like that. And then you have the second top that is basically a very, very small narrow top right over here. And then if you continue on, you're going to see a support line down, which is the neckline right over there. So if you look at that neckline, that's where we probably broke out for Solana, and we went to the technical target. So going back into the chart at the moment, I'm just going to bring in the charts right there. You can already see that this was exactly what we did. So this was the the wide top. We had the number one top, and then the second top right over there, Adam and Eve double top. So what happened is you pretty much came to the support neckline right there, broke below the neckline, and you went to the downside. Now at this point of time, when you broke the neckline, you never back tested the neckline, and it seems like you've already gone up above and you're trying to get above the support neckline. At this point of time, you're making some few dojis, which is this one doji right there, and then you got another doji right over here. So I think if the volume is going to be dropping, then you might be looking at Solana trying to go down. Now, unfortunately, I do see some drops in the volume. Unfortunately, I'm just going to bring this one to the side. Yeah. So the volume, you can see like this bar was a little bit green. This is a lesser greener one, and this is almost pretty much doesn't have a volume today, but we have 15 more hours to close the candlestick, so we cannot actually say if the volume is good or not, and if that volume is actually going to be to the downside or not. Now the thing is, I'm not saying we are looking to dump to the downside just yet. I don't think so, and I'm just going to remove the volume, and let's look at the daily time frame and how the daily time frame really looks like. And if you look at the daily time frame, we were close to the oversold level, and I was looking for an entry near the oversold level at this point of time. So if you look at the RSI, you have this one support there, second support, third support, fourth support. You just came off a little bit short to go down to that support, and you didn't touch the support. I was looking for that one. But if you notice one more thing, is that there's this trend line that is coming down, something like that you're breaking out of at the moment. So I'm just going to take the trend line here, and we're going to draw the trend line. So from there to there, we're looking for something like that. Okay, you're looking to get above the trend line, and this pretty much looks like double resistance right now. So this is going to be one resistance up here at the neckline, second resistance down here at the RSI. So I don't think it's a good idea to buy when you're at the resistance, but probably a good idea when you break above resistance, and you break above resistance at both the places, and both the trouble goes away. Yep, so it is what it is. That's pretty much the update that I see about Solana. Let me know what you think about Solana. Is Solana going to break this resistance or not? Tell me. And that's it. I love this.